My name is Tolu. Welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Lovelies, I brought you this super delicious soup you need for your swallow. A must try for everyone. All you need to do is to sit down and enjoy this video. Let's get it started. These are the vegetables I'll be using for cooking the soup. Don't worry, I'm going to show you one after the other. What I have here are the spinach I will be using. This is already well washed and drained as. These are scent leaves I'll be using today. Yes, they are already dried and frozen. If you have fresh one, you can also use it. This one has been dried and frozen, and that is what I'm using today. Saint leaf added into the spinach. What I have here are onions and habanero pepper. You can use chili if you don't have habanero, or you use both. It depends on how spicy you want to make it. What I have here is my locust beans, which we call a roux. To add some water and blend together. This is what they turn to after blending. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Thank you to everyone for loving my videos, for sharing, subscribing, commenting. God bless you. So I'll be adding palm oil into it now. After that, I'm going to add seasoning and I'll add salt. And I'll be adding meat stock into it. That is the water I use for boiling the meat I'll be using today. I gave it a gentle stir for those ingredients to be well combined. After that, I added this dried meat. They call it tinko. I found it in my freezer. I added it into it. If you'll be using dried fish, add it now. I added the boiled meat I'm using. I've already added the meat stock. You saw it in the middle of the video. Now I've added the boiled meat, and I have this oven roasted fish. I added it into it now, and after that, I just mixed them together. If you've watched this video up to this stage, please don't forget to follow us, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you are there. So after that, I covered and bring it to a boil. Wow, lovely is the aroma here. The soup is so simple, and don't let me talk much. You can see how it looks. At this stage, all you need to do is to get your spoon, taste for salt, and adjust. If you need more salt or more seasoning, add it into it, and it's now time to be served. I'm rocking my with pounded yam. You can enjoy this with fufu. If you have kids that do not like to eat vegetable because of the way they look, try this. They are going to love it. Feed them with a spoon or let them eat it with swallows. They are going to eat. I bet it. You try this and let me know how much you enjoy this. This is so simple, direct, and this is another idea. I'll be saying thank you so much to you all people from Ondo. Thank you. This is another alternative for marugbo. If marugbo is not available where you live, try this. Try it out and don't forget to give me the feedback. I would like to know how much you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. You can see me rocking my own ear. Man, I enjoyed this. I enjoyed it. Everyone loved it and they even asked for more. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. See you all next time. Bye-bye.